Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. In this video I want to talk about 4 great benefits of learning Tajweed that every Muslim should know. And brothers and sisters, reciting the Quran with Tajweed is the right of the Quran, just like we as human beings have many rights of our own. And Tajweed is mainly to give every letter its due rights. In other words, Tajweed is a set of rules that makes you pronounce each letter in the Quran correctly with the rulings and characteristics that should be applied to it. So you may ask why we should learn Tajweed. There are numerous reasons why we should learn the Quran with Tajweed, subhanAllah. So to name just a few of them, here are 4 main benefits of Tajweed. So let's take a look at them, inshallah. So brothers and sisters, learning Quran with Tajweed is important for all of us because a slight change in pronouncing a word can provide a completely different meaning. And reciting Quran must be taken very, very seriously, as you all know. So one of the benefits of Tajweed is that it is proven that the Quran will be allowed to intercede for the ones who used to read the Quran in this world, and it will come on the day of resurrection as an intercessor for its companion and as a witness against those who used to neglect it, subhanAllah. So this is why we should all act upon the Quran and learn the Quran with Tajweed the way it was revealed by the Prophet ﷺ, to give it its due respect. Whenever a person recites one letter of the Noble Quran, a good deed is recorded for him as 10 good deeds like it. So this is considered one of the biggest benefits of Tajweed, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the most merciful, multiplies the reward for good deeds, and that is why we should all take advantage of this and learn how to read the Quran correctly. And brothers and sisters, it is so important to learn the Quran with Tajweed, but it makes you pronounce each letter correctly, and also to avoid the clear mistakes that are crucial to Quran recitation. It also instills the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in your heart and makes us closer to our Lord and Creator. You know, there is so much relief your heart feels when you strengthen your connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and make it a part of your daily routine to learn the Quran with Tajweed, and to learn the Quran, not just to learn the Quran with Tajweed, but to also understand the Quran. Remember, brothers and sisters, learning Quran with Tajweed is compulsory upon every Muslim man and woman. So I pray, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us all the tawfiq to learn the Quran with Tajweed and to strengthen our connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Jazakallahu khairan wa ahsan al-jaza. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel, and inshallah I will see you all next time with another video.